All right, so we check out the radar picture over the past 12 hours, and we're going to see a lot of the activity around our region. We widen out the view, we'll notice there was more showers down to the south. That had to do with that other tropical system that's still trying to find some sort of organization. We're at 67 degrees this morning in Valdosta. It's nice to see a number that starts with a 6. We're not too far from Labor Day when we can start to hope for more mornings like that. 70 in Thomasville, 74 Tallahassee. The difference today compared to yesterday, that breeze. Yesterday we had that northeast breeze for a while, pretty breezy conditions, and that really made it feel a little bit more comfortable outside. That breeze is gone, and I don't think we're going to have that influence today. We're going to look for our winds to turn more to the south and southwest eventually, and that's where this warm surge is going to come from. Topped out at 88. I still do think we can see numbers that get back up over 90 today, but not everywhere. And the rain bucket, we're an inch and 2/3 behind normal for August, with only a couple days left to get caught back up. I think we have some chances. Apalachicola is the warm spot at 81. Got a couple of 71s for Perry and for Cross City. Bainbridge, we're at 70. Quincy checking in at 69 this morning. Not a lot of wind out there, so we will look for some of that fog. Visibility in Perry is down to 4 miles. Was down as low as 1.5 miles about 5 o'clock this morning. Out here to the west, Harvey still continuing to do its thing. These showers well out ahead of it. That's not necessarily connected to it, but it's in that little area where we're getting that surge of moisture and warmer air. And that's what's coming for us, I think, for the next couple of days. And it doesn't mean it's going to rain all the time. It's not. It's not going to be the same kind of rain like they're seeing out to our west. But our chances are going to be enhanced for the next few days. And I do think more of us get more showers in more spots and not just confined to that 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. window we normally see it. Now let's talk about this other system for a second, the one that we still can't get a real well-defined low-level center of circulation. It does have winds at 40 miles per hour, so it's strong enough. We could call it a tropical system if it had that center of circulation. Still could become Irma maybe sometime today as it scrapes up the Atlantic coast, but this one should move out into the Atlantic. Here's what it looks like, and there's plenty of rain associated with it. And here's that plume of moisture that brought all that rain to parts of central and southwest Florida yesterday and the day before. Way out across the Atlantic, hey, that's another area of disturbed weather with potential for development. So we've got our eyes on all kinds of things in the very busy tropics. On the Gulf today, winds are going to be out of the east and south, 5 to 15. There's a look at the tide times. Looks like those high tides up next, and they'll wrap it up by 9. Muggy this morning. Sun comes up at 7:13. Best chances to see sunshine early. Upper 80s this afternoon. I think we can get to 90 in some spots. Rain shots are 50-50. Low 70s for us tonight. Kind of muggy out there. And here comes a peek at that extended forecast, where I think our rain chances are going to be a little bit more enhanced over the next couple of days. The tropics super busy, but let's put those rain chances around 60% for Wednesday, for Thursday, for Friday. I do think most of us have real good shots to get some of the much needed rain.